Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to another episode of Simply Natural Black Life. It is Vlogmas Day 5. Shout out to me. Cheers. So, as you've seen, it's a super snowy day. I ain't about that business, so I got to go out there and, I'm going to remote start the truck. And I might have to show a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna get the ball rolling. This is outfit of the day. I am going to actually put on this because I need it and it's cold outside. And this is fragrance of the day. You already know I'm trying to get rid of this real quickly. Hopefully by next week we'll be done with it. And it's acting really funny, like far as like trying to spray out. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to check in. Yeah, it's very snowy outside. We got, I'm gonna say maybe about 6 inches of snow. So I don't know what today is gonna entail. So, but anyway, I'll check back in with y'all. Okay, all right. Hey y'all! Oh, how y'all doing on this good Thursday? Huh? As you can see, it's one of them days. It's bad outside, y'all. It is bad. You can look behind me, but if you see in front of me, yeah. So I have decided before I go home, we are going to stop at the BINS that I used to go to on Thursdays since I haven't been in a while. And I'm gonna bring y'all so we can see what they got. Even though I don't need nothing, maybe somebody in my family might need something, but we gonna do that. And yeah, guys, another thing I wanted to mention, I don't think I'm gonna do Vlogmas on the weekends because if I do it all week, I think that's enough. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, that's 20 days of vlogging that I'm gonna, you know, say I'll do it, you know. So bear with me. If y'all like that, let me know. Because I think a lot of people might, who blowing at me? I think a lot of people, I don't know what they blowing at, but I think a lot of people may be doing that. The weekends is for me and to do what I want to do. Now, I might throw in here and there, oh, they can turn on red. So, but it's a bus, a transit bus, so you can't turn. So they need to stop blowing at them. But yeah, I think what I'll do is if I feel like doing that, I'll do it. If I don't, I'm gonna keep it to, like I said, which will be Monday through Friday for Vlogmas. Let me know too in this video here, are y'all enjoying the Vlogmas? Are y'all enjoying it? Because I'm just doing what I can. So I'll see y'all there when I get there. So we here, y'all. Look at here. Look at all that. Y'all see us cutting up out here? All right, I'm gonna see what they got in here. I'm trying to put my glove on, y'all. I'm not playing around, okay? Your sis ain't playing because she ain't trying to get sick now. She ain't trying to get sick. Now, got this camera in my hand. I hope these people don't be tripping on me with my camera in my hand. They might think I'm chatting on the, what's they call that? The FaceTime or something like that. They might think it's that. So, okay. Let's see what's going on. Let me flip this camera around so y'all can see. Because I'm in here. Hold on. They got shoes. I think the shoes is like $10. They got all kind of stuff in here. So, Let me look around and see what's going on, y'all. Trying to see what this is. But like I'm saying, y'all, sorry, somebody's speaking a foreign language. What's this? I can't even get it out the box. Feel like some kind of sliding out shelf. But I'll turn y'all around and then I'll come back. Finally, she's home. Y'all, it's so bad outside. It's blowing. I don't know if y'all can see. It's like really snowing. But I'm trying to take a nap early. I'm trying to get y'all this vlog really quick. Not this vlog, but this video. I got some things I want to do. I'm gonna show y'all. I only picked up one thing today, y'all, and I'm glad because tomorrow, if you guys stick around, come back tomorrow because I might be able to go to that other place tomorrow, which is $1 on a Friday, and maybe I'll probably see more there. But I picked up something that I think I can try to use, and I thought about it before. I actually was looking for like a shelf to slide into that thing I showed y'all before. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all something that I actually would like to do here. So y'all let me know. Y'all see that space right here? This space right here. I kind of want to put that black console table that's in that family room right there, and just put the lamp on it. This thing right here, and I'm not sure what else. That's just a plan. So let me show y'all real quick what I got. Okay, hold on. All right, y'all. So what did you pick up? I picked up some more of this paper, y'all. Some more of this contact paper. Because I was thinking before, if I have some left from the last time I did my little DIY for the laundry area. Ooh, that snow is coming down, y'all. It's coming down. I'm gonna show y'all. I got some more contact paper, so I'm gonna show y'all the plan that I have. Okay, so okay, guys, this is my plan. Y'all see up here? Not that up here, but this part here. I'm gonna finish it all the way around, and I'm gonna go on side of this window and behind the refrigerator. So that is my plan. And also tomorrow I'm gonna be looking for the matching. It's so funny when you go to these stores because when you see two things of something, you need to get it. And last time I was at the one that's for the last time I was at that place and everything was $1 near where I got those little things here. I should have got both of these frames, because y'all already know I love this frame. And for all of you who don't know, Sonia DIY'd this man. I painted this man. But I stenciled out this man on my own. So I want to have like matching frames. So I want to have this one to match that one. And y'all already remember what we tried to do with that frame. So it didn't work out, and I have it blocking something. So once I find this frame here, that's so pretty. Once I find it, that is so pretty. Hold on, y'all, let me turn the light on. Once I find this beautiful frame here, I will actually put it on the other side. So yeah, guys, that's all I got. That's all I picked up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. I'm trying to give y'all Vlogmas. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Always remember to do what? I need to finish sipping on my tea. Always remember to love yourself. Hold on. Always remember to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. I'm just trying to give y'all a view, y'all. I love this view. Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others so this world will be a much better place. Okay?